The state released new data revealing the dramatic impact COVID-19 left on the job market here in Deschutes County last month. Rhea Piniella has more on the historic numbers.
Now take a look at these numbers. Deschutes County saw record high numbers of unemployment in April, and the Oregon Employment Department says these numbers are expected to continue rising. The total unemployment rate in Deschutes County rose to 18.2% in April, a significant rise from just 4% in March. I spoke with Damon Runberg, a regional economist with the Oregon Employment Department. He says although unemployment's expected to rise in the following months, we will not see a steep drop in jobs like the one from March to April. Runberg says typically spring's hiring season, especially in tourism, leisure, and hospitality. Instead, those areas suffered from the largest amount of jobs lost in Deschutes County. Nearly 6,800 jobs, equivalent to more than half of all jobs in leisure and hospitality. A Bensman who prefers to be identified only by his first name, Mike, said he received unemployment benefits starting in January. Mike worked as a truck driver for a Bend produce company until he was injured in a car accident and unable to work full-time. Mike said he still has his job waiting for him, and because of that, his unemployment benefits were cut off. He said he called the employment department Tuesday and was put on hold for nearly 12 hours.
I've got a great job. I love my job. I can't wait to get back to work. Unfortunately, I have to have the surgery first. If I don't have that insurance, how am I going to pay for the surgery?
Mike said he's now living out of his truck. He's just one example of the many people without jobs in Central Oregon waiting for answers.
Between 2015 and 2020 was really the bulk of the last 5 years, the bulk of the jobs we added in the last expansion. We lost all of those jobs in the last month.
Unemployment in Crook County increased 230% from March, but it's not the highest unemployment rate for Crook County. Unemployment in Crook County peaked at 21.7% in 2009. Jefferson County's rate was lower than Deschutes and Crook counties, but was consistent with the national rate at 14%. Runberg says the COVID-19 pandemic shows how public health and the economy are two sides of the same coin.
We need to make sure our public health system is robust and prepared in order to protect our economy as well, because our health and our livelihoods are intricately connected there, and we're seeing that reflected in these unemployment numbers.
For people like Mike, recovery from unemployment could take much longer than they anticipated. In Bend, Rhea Piniella, News Channel 21.